Can we mention back close friends in Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can mention back people in close friends story in Instagram. So let's get started. Now what I mean by that is if someone has tagged you in your Instagram's close friends story and you just want to repost that, is it possible? So let's find out. So as you can see right here, my friend just added me on his close friends story. Now I want to repost this. Now usually when you are when you are just tagged in a story, you will get an option to add it to your story right around here. But in close friends, there is no such option. So you can go here, check this out. There is no option to just mention back close friends in Instagram story. So if you want to repost this story, it's not really possible. Now what you can actually do is that you can take a screenshot of it, and after you take a screenshot of it, you can even crop it if you'd like to. Just crop it like this, save it to your photos, and after you do that, you can add that in your story. Now let us go here and add it to the story. Now after you add it to your story, you can, if you want to, you can also add it to your close friends and tag the friend that just tagged you, and there we go. Now you've just, it seems like you've reposted the story, but all you've done is took a screenshot of it and then posted in your close friends. So yeah, that is the only way you can mention back close friends story in Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And